Hi, this is Silent Origami and welcome to my new video. Today I've learned how to fold another amazing box. It's a rectangular box, and to fold it you need a square sheet of origami paper, and as usual you can use simple standard kami paper, or you can choose a different size. So also you can check my playlist that I've just created, origami boxes and containers, right here. So you want to see me fold this one? Here it comes. Now just pinch those and tuck them underneath. And there you have it, a rectangular origami box. Beautiful, I like that. And of course you can use it as a space organizer on your desk, or is a lid for a smaller one, like so. I don't know. Anyway, this is really useful and looks really cool. And you can experiment with that one. Try folding color side up, try folding blank side up. That's just beautiful. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, comment on my videos, let me know what would you like me to learn next. Please click here to subscribe. Please click here to watch my previous video. And as always, my origami is silent. What about yours?